Pour half a cup of rice into a generously sized cup. Half a cup of rice is about 1 serving. Add about 1 cup of water and rinse the rice well. Drain the rinsed rice and put it back in the cup. Add 3/4 cup of water. Let the rice soak for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the rice should be well soaked. If you microwave the cup directly, the rice will boil over and water will overflow from the cup. So make sure place the cup on a bowl and put a plate on top of the cup. Microwave it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, don't open the lid and let it sit for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, the rice will be almost cooked. Mix well. Pour the rice water that overflowed into the bowl back into the cup and microwave it for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, fluffy and delicious rice is done. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.